So hello friends, welcome back to the channel again, and this time I have come with the top 6 books on string theory. So let's start. So at 6th rank I have chosen this book by the Lee Smolin, that is The Trouble with Physics. So this book is generally written by Lee Smolin, who is a pioneering theoretical physicist, and I purchased this book on 21 July 2020, and the rating which I has given to it is 4.7 out of 5. So yeah, it's an astonishing review and rating by me. So I was talking about the author, who is a pioneering theoretical physicist. He is also known for his different acclaimed books like The Life of Cosmos and The Three Roads to Quantum Gravity, and he is actually also teaching at University of Pennsylvania and Yale University. So this book actually talks about the string theory. The name is The Trouble with Physics, but it's actually about the string theory. It talks about the criticism of the string theory, and it amazingly explains string theory in a very quite lucid manner. If you say it's not quite in depth, but good in, if you say, quite good in conversation if you want to read. So here it is. The next book, on the 5th position, I have chosen The Fabric of Cosmos by Brian Greene. So yeah, again this book is also really amazing. The Fabric of Cosmos, as here written, the new Hawking, only better, by the Times. So yeah, the author is good, but especially about this book I want to say this book actually was quite mundane. If you read other popular science book and this book, then you will on itself will find yourself will find it out. So this book is actually quite a long read. It's 500 plus pages, also contains a very big amount of notes. So yeah, this book is an amazing, and the rating which I have given to this book is 4.2 out of 5. So yeah, it's a good book, but only if you are actually not into a popular science book, but in the name of textbook you say. I purchased it on 21 April 2019. So yeah, and on 4th position I have put again The Elegant Universe by Brian Greene, the international bestseller and also winner of Aventis Prize Book Prize. So yeah, it is a quite acclaimed book across the world, and this book I have purchased on 26 December 2019, and the rating which I have given is, let's see, 4.1. So actually this book is also quite like same as I told about this book, the Brian Greene Fabric of Cosmos. Similarly is similar one is that is The Elegant Universe. It actually tells about the string theory quite very well, but the experiments and the illustrations used in this book are quite difficult to understand for an average reader. So yeah, it's again a good read, but not up to the mark, but still yeah, a quite acclaimed book. And the 3rd position I have put in The Black Hole War by Leonard Susskind. So again, Leonard Susskind is an amazing science popularizer and a theoretical physicist. I purchased this book on 8 November 2019, an amazing book, I would say. I gave it a rating of 4.8 out of 5. So this only shows how this book is amazing. So the name of the book is actually The Black Hole War, and yeah, some parts of it also contain about the black hole. It actually talks about the string theory at a very parallel level with the black holes. So it's like the science of string theory with black holes. So it is a quite nice book. This book also introduces you to the QCD, that is quantum chromodynamics. So it's an amazing book and quite good for the average popular science reader. So yeah, that's why I have chosen this book at number 3 position. So it's an amazing book, as I said. Here is Leonard Susskind. So yeah, and at 2nd position I have put again the Leonard Susskind book, The Cosmic Landscape, String Theory and the Illusion of Intelligent Design. So this book also contains his famous holographic principle and derivation and all and everything. This book cost me around 500 and MRP is 595, but I got it on Amazon at a very whopping 500 rupees. So yeah, this book is actually quite rare and also quite amazing. It's a hardcover book, and I purchased it on 16 October 2020, and it's really an amazing book, and I have given this a rating of 4.7 out of 5. So yeah, it's a very good book. As you can see, the content, it starts with the QED, that is quantum electrodynamics by Feynman, and then connects it with the quantum chromodynamics, and then leads to the quantum string theory, and also it has some parts of quantum gravity also. So it's an amazing book. If you see, also contains some illustrations which are quite useful, and also it's quite amusing book. It's like a story book which tells you about the science. So it's recommended book. And at the first position, I would say one of the book which I read quite early, one of my earliest book, that is Michio Kaku, Parallel Worlds. So everybody knows Michio Kaku. He's an amazing theoretical physicist at University of New York College. So it's an amazing book on actually string theory. It actually contains the description about the whole science. If you see, it talks about the particle physics and quantum theory and quantum mechanics, but the string theory, I would say, is the best given in this book. As you can see, it's actually gave the basic idea, which is actually, if you say, quite missing in other book. So yeah, that's why I have chosen this book at number 1 position, and I purchased this book on 16 November 2018, and I have given this book a rating of 4.9 out of 5. I don't know why I have deducted 0.1, but yeah, it's an amazing book. So these were the top 6 books I showed you by the ranking. Here are they, the top 6 books on the string theory. Hope you liked it. Thank you.